Let's make cookies. I'm going to use some homemade vanilla extract, some cocoa. I'm going to use 4 egg whites, only the whites, and powdered sugar, some semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to use some butter. This is just for greasing the pan. You need to grease your pan or use a silpat. When baking these cookies, you could use butter. You could use lard or Crisco or vegetable oil. But let's get started. I like to sift the sugar. I'll get more of it in there. And the cocoa powder. I like to sift them. I have 3/4 cup of cocoa powder and 2.5 cups of the powdered sugar. And we're going to sift this into the bowl. Next I have my 4 egg whites in my mixing bowl. I'm going to add that. And I'm not going to whip these up till they're like stiff peaks or soft peaks. I just want them foamy. Here they are. They're nice and foamy. It's close to a soft peak, but not really. I'm going to take the sugar and the cocoa and mix this in. Here it is, fairly well mixed. It's getting quite thick. You don't want to mix it all the way. Then add your chips and mix these in. And now you really don't want to see any white streaks or anything. You want to get it pretty much mixed in quite well. It'll only take a minute. I'm using a cookie scoop to scoop the cookies. I did add a 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla and a large dash of salt to these. Forgot to show you that, so I mixed it in right at the last second there. And as you see, I'm using parchment paper, which makes it easier to clean up. And I buttered it. You can kind of see. And these go in my 350-degree oven. Yummo. Here they are out of the oven. The first batch. I baked them for 12 minutes. And you want them to cool completely on this pan before you remove them. Here are the cookies. It makes 2 dozen. They are nice and shiny. They're very chocolatey. They're very good. Are these the best cookies in the world? I don't know. You need to make them and find out. I'm not even going to try one. Well, I already have. But they are so good. You gotta make this. Thank you so much for watching.